Children, back to our Hindi class. Today I am going to explain you how to write the letters cha to nya. Okay? The first letter seen and how to write cha. In the middle of two lines, just write a small sleeping line, connecting it with a curve like semicircle. The whole one you should connect it with a standing line. Over the letter right, sleeping line cha. Small sleeping line, half circle, connecting it to a standing line, over the letter right, sleeping line. This is cha. Again, each letter you have to practice 5 times, Nana. Small sleeping line, connecting it to a semicircle, connecting it to a standing line, over the letter right, sleeping line. Cha. Again, small letter, small sleeping line, connecting it to a semicircle and right, a standing line side of that, over the letter right, sleeping line. Cha. Small sleeping line, semicircle, standing line, sleeping line. This is cha. This is the letter cha. The next one is cha. How to write? See. Small circle connecting with a right curve. Again right curve with the small circle. Over the letter right, sleeping line. In this way. Right curve. In this way right. Cha. 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 See. Just like ga only, Nana. But here we are writing a small circle. Thereafter writing like ga. And this right curve should go towards left and over the letter right small standing line and above the letter right sleeping line. Cha. Ja. Next letter is ja. Semicircle connecting it to a sleeping line. The whole is connecting to a standing line. Ja. Again a semicircle connecting it to a sleeping line, connecting it to a standing line, over the letter right sleeping line. Ja. Semicircle connecting it to a sleeping line, the whole is connected to a standing line, over the letter right sleeping line. Ja. Semicircle connecting it to a sleeping line, the whole is connected to a standing line, over the letter right sleeping line. Semicircle connecting to a sleeping line, side of the sleeping line right standing line, over the letter right sleeping line. Ja. Next one, see. Ja. How to write? Like E only. Ja should write like E. Standing line, right curve, connecting it to a left curve, like E only, Nana. Side down right like this, and the whole is connected in this way. Ja. Standing line, right curve, connecting the right curve by the left curve, and write like this like E, and write a small sleeping line and connect that with the standing line, over the letter right sleeping line. Ja. Again look at this. After writing this one, write like this. After this, write a small sleeping line and connect it with a standing line. Ja. Again standing line, left curve, right curve like E, sleeping line connecting in this way. Ja. Again see like E you write and write a small sleeping line, the whole is connected by a standing line, over the letter right sleeping line. Ja. Now see. Next one, gna. In my previous class, I explained you this is gna, gna, gna. This is gna. Ya sound you have to read. Gna. See, like C, reverse C, right? Connecting by the sleeping line. Side of the letter right like this, over the letter right, sleeping line. C, reverse C, sleeping line, standing line, over the letter right, sleeping line. Gnya, ya sound, gnya. Reverse C, sleeping line, connecting it to a standing line, over the letter right, sleeping line. Reverse curve, sleeping line, connecting by the standing line, over the letter right, sleeping line. Gnya. Cha, cha, ja, jha, gnya. Again read after me. Cha, cha, ja, jha, gnya. Right? 5 times of each letter, and after writing 5 times, write all the letters together like this. Cha, cha, jha, jha, gnya. In this way you practice, amma.